How to reset your Agoda password. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, tap on Other ways to sign in and then select Sign in with mobile. Next, go to the email field where you will see the Forgot Password option. Tap on it. Enter the email address linked to your Agoda account and hit Continue. Agoda will send a password reset email to your registered inbox. Open your email, find the message from Agoda and tap the password reset link provided. You will be redirected to a reset page where you can create a new password. Make sure to set a strong and secure password, then confirm it. Once done, return to the Agoda app, log in with your email address and new password, and you are all set. Resetting your password not only keeps your Agoda account secure, but also protects your booking and ensures your travel details remain safe. Now you know how to reset your Agoda password. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.